Hey folks, Crazy Gamer here, Crazy Gamer Mamos. This is going to be a quick teaser video to a review that's coming up on this new rotary tool thing I got here. This is a jewelry polishing system. It's a basically a marathon thing. I'll have the listing in the actual review, but it has a unique feature where you have a hand thing like a Dremel with your little Dremel chuck in there. You can turn it on and you can control the speed. And you can control the speed like that. So it'll spin. It's spin at 3,500 RPM, but you can dial it in to barely spinning. The chuck's off, I'm aware. But you can also flip it to the foot pedal, and you can have turn it on, and you can have variable speed at your footstep. So I don't know when you think that would come useful, but I can think of a bunch of spots where that comes useful. If you don't want to use the messed up 3-jaw chuck, you can get a set of burrs that will fit in there. I have a whole range of stuff here that's going to be in the full review. I also have some other attachments that I think are going to be pretty cool for it. So this is it. Stay tuned for the full review when I test this thing out and hack up some plastic. Thanks you guys for watching. Enjoy the channel.